Okay. Pictures and then mirror.
Mirror. How much those?
Don't need to tell.
Alright. So why are we taking the video? This is £1.
That's £1. I thought it's free. I thought that's free. Yeah. Go there.
Tell the price. How much?
£2.
Oh my god, it's so expensive. For
And
baby?
yeah, for baby. Look, baby.
Oh.
This is like a real baby, darling. Look. So, look, hold it.
Really?
But the problem, there's no hair.
Carry on. Carry on.
There's no hair. There's no. Sit down there.
Hi. My man is here. Hello, man.
Hi,
Hi.
baby.
Hi. Hey.
And this is for darling.
Didn't bother.
This is for Ram. Look.
Ram. Oh.
Yes.
Oh dear. If he saw this one, he's gonna wait for this.
This is look harsh.
Right.
You see?
Wow.
Oh, wait.
How much?
3.
£3. It's so expensive.
This is free
It's free.
for
What's it
for my plants.
Your plants, yeah?
Yes, so that's not going the water down there. This is free. Pajama for
Okay.
children's pajama.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, this is all free.
Okay, I get
Put the,
one. Are you gonna put
this
for
is
Oleg?
free.
For Oleg?
No, that's for baby. Yes, this is for
Free.
Ram.
Ram.
Happily ever.
Ram is very lucky boy, really. Happily ever after.
Yeah, together with this.
Together this one.
This is free.
Okay.
Free. This is no. This is
No,
free.
they are mine.
Yeah, I know.
50p.
50.
50p. I need to wash it. I'm gonna use it.
Yeah.
Yeah, 50p. Tax is £1. That one.
20p.
No, 1 second. No, this one. No, sorry. And yeah, the glasses.
Yeah.
And 3 pieces, £1. I bought this one for the Toto and your brother-in-law.
Yeah.
With the motorbike.
Oh, this is nice.
This is for Ram.
How much this?
£1.
Really?
Yeah, this is for BB or Ram or whatever.
BB and Ram.
Yeah, they are lucky really. This one is 3 pieces. 3 pieces. All of those is £1.
Color fine pins,
Yeah,
fiber tips.
All £1.
Wow, amazing. This one and the mirror, the lady selling. So selling the one.
How much? Sorry. Oh dear.
Oh no. This is her stuff, she said. And because they are moving house, though they will sell this. I said nice.
This is for the the shelf
Jewelry.
that I made for you.
Yes.
It's gonna be good for that. Or your behind your bed.
Yeah, this is nice.
I'm not going to ask her how much.
Yeah, please don't ask. Where is my binocular?
This is free. This is working glasses.
Mm.
This is pen for the kids.
For the kids.
Yeah.
Darling, give me that binocular there.
This is for her.
There is something my binocular. This is £2. £2. I bought this for taken.
For me?
For the neighbor.
father was expecting some of those.
This one.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Can you see properly?
We'll see. We'll have a look later.
They give me free for this. This one. This is for grass because some part of the grass is not good.
Hmm. And this one.
Mm.
This is nice for the sexy lady selling it. Oh yeah. Ah, look at this. 50p. This key holder.
Mm-hmm.
You know already, Amalia.
Mm.
And this is £1 for key holder too.
Mm.
Poleni, I don't know, but this it's good because when you put your key here and then you close like this,
You're right. You're right.
and this is good
Yeah, carry on.
leather.
Carry on.
And this is the lady said this is for the drink,
What?
like in the pub.
No, 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 no. Hold on, hold on.
You
Hold on.
can yeah,
Pop.
yeah. Put the drinks here.
And then?
Put the drinks.
And then?
It's like you are in the party. Put the drinks with a straw and then like
Hello?
this. Yeah.
Hello? Just put
This
the-
is £2 for 6 pieces. Whitley nail gin. Look, Whitley nail gin.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
is
yeah.
for the gin, you know, gin and tonic.
Oh dear, oh dear.
This is for the party.
All right.
Like this is the cover, you know. Oh,
What about kid stuff?
yeah. And this is, have a look again. Wow. As of, look, I got the, yes. There's a lot, look.
I know. I don't know what you're gonna do with it.
I have a lot of grandchildren, isn't it? Hmm. Ah, look, baby. Baby. Look at this, baby. Hmm. This is for baby. Look, they have a tag still. They have a tag. This is like, you know,
For
a
all
lot
the toys, yeah?
for all the toys. And there is a bag.
Look at the lion. Finish?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes. You know how much this darling? This one, all of this is £5.
Really?
Like 3 for £1.
Even you can't buy the one
Yeah.
piece for £5.
Some they are selling like £3. It's this one. Some of them, but this one lady there, £1 for 3 pieces. 3 pieces for £1. So I got it. I am so happy. And this one here is for free.